Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you what's new with the calculator app. Apple doesn't typically focus much on the calculator app, but with iOS 18 it's getting a notable overhaul and some surprising integration with the Notes app. In this video I'll tell you what's new with the calculator app, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First we talk about the math notes. The biggest change to the calculator app is the addition of math notes, a feature that basically an integration between the calculator and the Notes app. So first open the calculator app. Tap on the calculator symbol at the bottom left of the app. Here tap on math notes. Next tap on the new note symbol at the bottom right of the display. And then start your calculation. You can do this same thing directly in the Notes app with any existing or new note. Math note is technically a Notes app feature, but you can in fact start a math note in the calculator app. Math note lets you type equation in the Notes app and have them solved automatically when you put in an equal sign. You can do things like calculate how much everyone owes for a group trip or split up a dinner bill. If you write dinner is equal to $57 and movies is equal to $24. Now type in dinner plus movies and add an equal sign and get the total, and you are done. Next thing I am going to tell you about convert. You can convert currency. Open the calculator app. Tap on basic. Now tap on the small calculator icon. Here you will see the option of convert. Tap on it. You can choose your currencies here and type what you want. It will convert currency in just seconds. Next thing I am going to tell you about unit conversion. When using math notes, you can do unit conversion. Open the math notes. Type a note. For example, if you type 10 kilograms to pounds in math notes interface in the calculator app, the result is automatically generated. I am going to tell you about delete your history. For this, you just need to swipe left side and then choose delete, or you can long press on the note and choose delete. You can delete your history by both ways. Next thing I am going to tell you about scientific. Choose scientific. There is now an option to use the scientific calculator in portrait orientation, so you don't need to turn your iPhone to landscape orientation to get to it anymore, and you are done. So these are the all things with the calculator app in iOS 18. I hope you liked the video, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.